Seagulls are seabirds. They hunt for small fish and will sometimes grab pieces of flesh from whales. These birds are called gulls, but are commonly mistaken for seagulls. Gulls have learned to adapt to the human environment. Certain species of gulls can live longer than others. A gull lives a very simple life. They hunt for small fish, crabs, and other coastal and midland sea creatures. They also eat leftovers from human food. The life of a gull begins when the egg they are born in hatches. Soon, the bird will be fed by its mother and father. Then, the bird will grow and hunt on its own. When the gull is old enough, it will begin to breed. These birds breed in colonies. When they find their mate, they usually will stay together throughout the rest of their life. Different species of gulls breed differently. Some may breed with others colonially in the same nest, but have different holes for territory. Others may simply keep others of their species away from their nest. Shortly after the egg is created, the parents will incubate. Only one parent will do so all night, whereas the other will do so for 1 to 4 hours. Gulls evolved from Laridae, which are also seabirds. They look and behave much like gulls. There are many different types of species that came from the Laridae that are similar to gulls. Laridae seabirds were found from a fossil dating back 30 to 33 million years ago. Thank you for watching this video. For more fun facts and other videos, visit my YouTube channel, The Plushie Zone Gaming.